OMG, it works! I just tested this new strategy that can turn $1 into thousands with a 95% win rate. It is even more profitable than Bitcoin. It took him 8 years to turn $1 into 1,000. It took me no more than 15 minutes. So in this video, I will share with you the most profitable strategy ever. Watch the video to the end and you will learn the safest and fastest way for a beginner to earn an income of $500 per day. Hello, this is Evelyn. I have been a professional trader for over 5 years now, with a win rate of 88.9%. I have earned over $1.5 million this past year alone. And you too can earn thousands of dollars. Just subscribe to my free Telegram channel. Every day, more than 27,000 people repeat my transactions and earn $500K in one session. Come on, join for free using the first link in the description or pinned comment. My dear friends, it may sound super ambitious, but if all my calculations are correct, now we will be able to turn $1 into several thousands. I'm a little worried. I wouldn't want something to go wrong, but I have been in this business for a long time and my experience will not let us down. Open pocket option and get ready to trade. Let's go! Alright, first things first. Let's set up the trade time. 1 minute. The candlestick time frame 30 seconds. Right. Next, let's select our currency pairs. Today we'll work with Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar and US dollar. All of these pairs have performed well over the past week and behave predictably. The last step is setting up our indicators. The most important ones for our strategy today are the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and the Stochastic Oscillator. Let's take a closer look at these pairs, shall we? Who's ready to make big money? We have $1.64 in our account, but let's start as planned with $1. Australian dollar and US dollar. We see how a new downtrend has formed from our maximum. Moreover, both of our indicators indicate a decrease in price. We are going lower for sure. Yes, like this. We got $1.92. We're off to a great start. Price will more likely fall on the second pair as well. We see that the downtrend is just beginning on the stochastic indicator. Investing lower. A little more and boom! Our deposit has grown to $4.4, but this is far from what we can actually make. And now the important one. Do you think that in order to successfully trade binary options, you need to have a degree in economics? I personally think that it is not necessary at all. What about you? Write your answer in the comments. Let's have a discussion about this controversial topic. Next, we have the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Wow, as we can see, a new uptrend has started from our minimum. The lines of both indicators show upward movement. Clicking higher. Boom! The strategy works great. We already have $8. Alright, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. So, the market is not behaving clearly. It's violating indicator signals, so let's move on. Never enter a trade if you see that the situation is unpredictable. Let's move on to the Australian dollar and US dollar pair. Here, everything is already under control. We see how both indicators show an increase in price, and of course, we'll follow them. Click higher. A bit more. Awesome! We successfully reached $15. As you can see, the indicators work fine. Let's take a closer look at what they do. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, helps determine the trend's direction and strength. When the MACD lines cross upward, it signals an uptrend, while a crossover downward indicates a downtrend. Meanwhile, the stochastic oscillator signals overbought and oversold conditions. Values above 80 indicate overbought and values below 20 tell us that the market is oversold. Therefore, this is one of the most reliable pairs to use, as it simultaneously gives signals about the direction of the trend and its fluctuations. Alright, let's move on to the next trade. We are back to the second pair. We understand that the candle will reach the resistance level, so we definitely enter when the candle is several points lower, going higher. And yes! Great! Added another $29 in our pocket. I always explain every decision in detail during trading and pay attention to the main market signals. It is important to me that the video is useful to both professionals and beginners. Like this video so that as many people as possible can learn about our super strategy. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Here we understand from the signals that our indicators are giving us that the future impulse will be downward. Let's wait a little and we go lower. Great! Just great! We already have $55. The most important thing is not to lose focus and to continue analyzing the market calmly. Okay, Aussie and Canadian dollar. Wow. So we can see that after a slight consolidation at a resistance level, the trend is starting to reverse, so of course we'll follow it. Let's press lower. Nice. Our balance has grown to $106. It's good to have such a powerful strategy. Australian and US dollar. We have some sideways movement here, and we understand that the candles should mirror the previous period. So we are investing lower. And we were right! Great! Everything is as we predicted. We already have $204. Let's continue. Second pair. Oh, I love it when indicators do all the work for you. See, the upward trend continues with bullish impulses, so the only thing left to do is click higher. Perfect. $391 in our pocket. And who will say that $1 is not money? They just don't know about our top strategy that turns $1 into great money. That's why it is always worth watching my videos with new profitable strategies. So I recommend a video in which I analyze the strategy in great detail and earn more than $6,500. Very useful video. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch it. Let's continue to increase our deposit. So, trade number 10. Again, the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Everything is straightforward here. We see how a new uptrend has started from the support level, and even these small bearish impulses will not distract us or our excellent indicators. So, we are going higher. Money, 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 yes! We have $751. We are making great progress. Australian and Canadian dollar. The stochastic with its upward direction signals a short-term price increase. So let's not argue with our strategy and click higher. Yes, like this. We've hit 1,000. We have $1,442. This is simply incredible. This is a 100% win rate strategy. Aussie and US dollar. Look at how a pullback occurred from our resistance level and a new downtrend started. Pressing lower. Cool. Our deposit has grown by another $1,920. Something unreal is happening. I don't want to stop. I feel like we can do more. Next up, Australian and New Zealand dollar. Wow! Here, the god of trading clearly gave us a surprise. Indicators show an increase and continuation of the uptrend. Bet up. This is already the 13th correct decision in a row, and we earned $3,282. We have the perfect strategy in our hands. Let's continue. Australian dollar and franc. We'll go bullish. We see how long the bulls have been in control of the market, and we expect a nice continuation. Click higher. Boom! We had $1 and now we have $4,202. Incredible. But it's not surprising. I consider the market to be an open book. You just have to know how to read it properly. Next, we have the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Here you can clearly see the stochastic lines staying at the same level at the very beginning of the new bullish candle that will be bullish. So we have to invest higher. Profits again! Yes, 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 that's right, we're in the black. Alright, final trade for today. Both indicators very clearly show the upward movement of the market. Today the indicators did not let us down and the strategy is working perfectly. Sometimes there are moments when a professional trader has the feeling that today is their day. Now I have this exact feeling. Guys, do not repeat this at home. I pressed the higher button 4 times in a row. 4 times. A bit more. Beauty! Dear friends, it was incredible. This is simply unbelievable. We earned $8,802, starting with just $1. Our strategy worked perfectly, and I was able to accurately analyze the market based on the signals of our 2 indicators. I'm so glad. Where else can you turn $1 into almost 9,000 in 15 minutes? I agree. It seems unreal, but we just did it together. This opportunity is provided only by the binary options market. I have already earned more than $1.5 million trading this past year. I bought a cool car and a luxurious house, and every month I go on an unforgettable trips. But having earned my first million, I promised myself that I would help as many people as possible make their dreams come true. So that's why I created the Telegram channel. Today, there are already more than 27,000 members in the community, and I have already helped change the lives of many of them. How did I know this? My subscribers send me photos and videos every day. Look at these happy faces of future millionaires.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis.
She's basically changing my financial situations.
Thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
And I simply share my trades with them every day. I tell them in detail how to use the pocket option. I generally show beginners which buttons to press, where and when. I will explain everything in detail, step by step. And you can copy my trades completely for free and earn $400 to $500 per session. In just a couple of days, you will understand trading and be able to earn your first profits. Yes, even if you are a beginner. You just need to enter trades, follow me, and you will consistently earn good money. I mean, my win rate is 88.9%, so 9 out of 10 trades will bring you money. Now, you might think that this kind of access is complicated, but no, actually. To do this, you just need to take a couple of simple steps. Join my Telegram channel and write me private messages. And yeah, that's it. So I'm waiting for you on my Telegram right now. Follow the first link in the description and in the pinned comment under the video. Friends, it was a mind-blowing trading session. I'm really looking forward to your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot. See you in my cozy Telegram channel.